In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the features of ActiveCampaign on the Nance Golf Style platform effectively. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or anyone in between looking to improve how you connect with your contacts, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and ease. Starting off, the first thing you'll need to do is access ActiveCampaign's main page. Here, you're greeted with a straightforward login option. This is your gateway to unlocking the powerful tools within. Click on the login button to begin. If it's your first time here, or if you've navigated the internet's vastness to find us, this step is your starting point towards mastering ActiveCampaign for your needs. Once you've clicked on login, it's time to introduce yourself to ActiveCampaign by entering your username. This is your identity within the platform, the key to your digital marketing kingdom, so to speak. After entering your username, the next natural step is to secure your entrance by clicking on the login button. It's a simple click, but it's the bridge connecting you to a host of functionalities designed to enhance your marketing strategies. Now, as we delve deeper, we transition to the specific requirements of accessing Nance Golf Styles administration area. Here, you'll need to enter your email. This step differentiates your access level, ensuring that you're on the right path towards accessing features tailored specifically for Nance Golf Styles needs. Following your email entry, it's crucial to ensure your account's security by entering your password and then proceeding to log in. Your password is the lock on your treasure chest of tools within ActiveCampaign, so make sure it's both strong and memorable. Once you've successfully logged in, bring yourself to the home screen of ActiveCampaign by going to the ActiveCampaign home. This is where your journey in enhancing contact engagement truly begins. Consider it your command center, where you orchestrate your marketing symphony. Your next focus should be on the contacts section. This area is the heart of your marketing efforts, where you manage and understand the needs and relationships of those you're reaching out to. Clicking on contacts brings you a step closer to truly personalizing your engagement strategies. The essence of effective contact management lies in the ability to sift through, and for that, clicking on Search Contacts is your next move. This functionality allows you to navigate through your contacts with precision, making your marketing efforts more targeted and efficient. To further refine your search and hone in on the specifics, clicking on Advanced Search is your gateway. Here you unlock the capability to segment and pinpoint contacts based on nuanced criteria, enhancing your engagement strategy's effectiveness. Selecting a condition within the advanced search is where the magic happens. This step allows you to set specific parameters for your search, making your strategy not just a broad stroke, but a fine-tuned masterpiece of engagement. Now dive deeper into the specifics by clicking on Contact List Status. This enables you to filter contacts based on their engagement level, an essential step in personalizing how you communicate with your audience. Choosing is subscribed to list active is a clear and deliberate action. It filters your contact list to those who are actively engaged and subscribed, allowing you to focus your efforts on an audience that's already shown interest in your content or services. Lastly, bring all these steps together by clicking on Search. This final step is where all your criteria and parameters come together, presenting you with a list of contacts tailored to your specific engagement needs. It's the culmination of your focused efforts, offering you a clear picture of who your active audience is. Remember, while these steps may seem straightforward, the power they unlock in ActiveCampaign for managing your contacts on Nance Golf Styles platform can be transformative for your marketing efforts. Each click, each selection brings you closer to a more engaged, more interested audience. And that's it. You've not just navigated through the process, but you've set the stage for more effective, more engaging marketing strategies with ActiveCampaign on the Nance Golf Style platform. Keep exploring, keep refining your strategies, and most importantly, keep engaging with your contacts in meaningful ways. Thank you for watching this guide. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to help you maximize your marketing efforts across your platforms.